Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying hardware and account basics. Make sure the device supports 2 active lines, eSIM or 2 physical SIMs. Once confirmed, backup contacts and note PIN/PUK codes so you can recover quickly if needed. Power off the phone, then insert the primary SIM into slot 1 and the secondary SIM into slot 2. Power on. This immediate action prevents errors and gets you into the settings without wasting time, so you can configure profiles next. You now configure how each line behaves. Open settings and find SIM cards or mobile network. Once there, enable both SIMs, then assign one for calls, one for SMS, and choose which handles mobile data. If you need to use data switching, set the preferred SIM for mobile data and enable data roaming selectively. Adjust APN values when a carrier's data isn't working, and toggle airplane mode to force a network re-register. This ensures both numbers work reliably and avoids dropped connections. Finish by personalizing and protecting your setup. Label each SIM as work or personal, assign distinct ringtones, and set vibration patterns so you instantly know which line is ringing. Monitor data per SIM with limits and alerts. Make auto-switch rules if your plan requires it. If a SIM stops working, try simple fixes first. Restart the phone, reseat the SIM, reset the APN, and only then contact the carrier. This final checklist keeps both lines organized and minimizes downtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.